Today we tested a prototype of a payload that INFICON has been developing with Modovolo, and we're doing this to prepare for an upcoming military exercise.
Modovolo is bringing our Modovolo Lift drone platform, and that gives INFICON the ability to leverage that to incorporate their proprietary chemical sensor technology into a drone platform, which is a lot of capacity is needed to bring that into the hazmat area.
It means a lot because they can actually take this system with them. So instead of them going in and just using their experience and judgment to say, hey, this looks like an important sample to take, and then like bagging it and bringing it back to a lab for someone to analyze, this allows them to take samples and analyze them right at the site. Yes, this is a hazardous situation and we need to not be bringing more people in.